Peep the color though, man. You gotta peep that shit. Ugh. Color changing click. You see it. I know you see it. Peep the candy.
Let's get right into it. Nothing but bars, I seek farther than your average Joe. A starving artist, living well, that's how I keep it broke. Gotta stay faithful in the land of the get and go. That's it, it's easy. You can
what color you feel it is, y'all? I'm seeing the purple, the green, the teal. Just choose one, you feel me?
Never sold a brick, I took the education route. Still get loose up in the streets when it's time to run a route. Look at me, reminiscing of the Ocho Cinco. Prime time running up the field, take a pick, man. Sick name, wood grain, and I don't like to talk about it. Money, cars, hoes, everybody seems to talk about it. I screamed and shouted, but it went in reverse. Looked up, I'm spitting that same bullshit like a curse. Mama took a look at me, she felt like a nurse. Saw her baby boy is grown and the pressure got worse. It's been a lot of things in my life, man. A real test of your faith, I know you understand. Our time's getting furious, I see the plan. My best advice is to
you already see it, man.
It's been a lot of things
Candy flake,
in your life, man. Big
green,
dreams,
purple, teal. You know what I'm saying?
All
Get it how you
about
live.
paper, got 100 plans.
What it do, what the business is. What's going on, man? It's your boy Kicks and Kits. You know what I'm saying? It's the good old Infraction bad boy. If you notice the colors, you know I gotta roll with that candy paint, Southside all day. We got the flake green, we got the teal, and we got the purple. You know what I'm saying? So I had to match the kicks with the kit. You feel me? So it only makes sense that we come out with the Clearweather Contra joints. Linking below how to get these, man. Clearweather has some fire ass shoes. For all my sneakerheads, man, they got all kind of sneakers, boots. You might find some galoshes on the damn website, man, but these Contras are dope. Trust me, you know what I'm saying? I definitely rock with these. And they match so good, wouldn't you agree? Don't they just match so player, you feel me? I think that's a good old what? Kicks and Kits freeze frame. Oh! So, right back at it too. Oh yeah, and good old cold grapes. All kind of leisure wear, you know what I'm saying? Comfortable shit. Especially in the wintertime. Check it out. It's gonna be popping. I think they're about to release in 2022. Emmett Smith, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get to this Infraction. I didn't do too much to it other than link it with my Futaba radio and receiver. And I did some modifications to the body. That's it. I'm not running the wing. I'm not running those little rails on the back. Some people say they're like for stability. Some people say it's just for looks. I took it all off, you know what I'm saying? And I just drive it. I just drive this bad boy. I dialed it in to how I want it. Eventually, man, I want to run this on touring tracks and basically dial it in and be able to control this like a 1/8 touring car. So I want to be able to drift this bad boy when I want to and control it in those corners when I want to. And that's the good thing about having a professional radio. You know, if you get a professional radio and receiver, you can adjust your throttle, brake, drag brake, all kind of settings from the remote, from the radio, you know, and you can have that type of flexibility and stability over your car. Flexibility and stability, hold up now. Anyway, man, let's get into this running. Holla at your boy. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe, or dislike. I should have checked out this surface before I ran my car. I always check out a surface. I saw this open space and I was like, hell yeah, but damn, it's kind of bumpy. Oh shit, see what I mean? Color changing click. All my people in the South gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Shout out Chameleonaire. Shit. Y'all, this is on 4S. I got this on 4, this is on 4S, man. It's like 6S. I'm not even, no speed pinion in here. This is all stock. Only mods I've done it to the body. And added my Futaba radio and receiver. But yeah, man. Good old battery dumped. You see how it gets down. Thing's a lot of fun. On 4S, man. Yeah. Yo. Shout out my dude Spread Love RC, man, out there in London in the UK, where they make the Arrmas in the first place, the headquarters of Arrma. He held down that Hall of Fame spot, man. He was submitting all kind of cool pictures and all that kind of shit. Cool dude, cool whips. If you haven't already, man, subscribe to him, man. We spreading love out here, man, from the States to London. And we were kindred spirits, man, because I saw he was matching his kicks with his kit, you feel me? As you see right here, he had the red Mojave with the Nike Air Max 97 bad boy. So I gotta show you love on that, man. He showed me much love. He is definitely true to his name. He spreads love, man. And that's what this RC shit is about. It's worldwide. So anyway, man, check the kicks, check the kit, like, share, subscribe, holla at your boy. Peace.